Welcome to Big Podcast. We are here with another episode of International Women's Day with the campaign of accelerating action. We have with us a beautiful example of accelerating action. She has not only left behind the stereotype but has also worked on gender equality. We have with us Minal Faruqi. Very warm welcome, Minal, to Big Podcast, and thank you for giving us this time.
Thank you so much for having me on this podcast.
Thank you. Minal is not only the youngest female pilot, but she is the youngest pilot in Pakistan. So, Minal, how do you feel having this honor to your credit, being the youngest pilot in Pakistan?
Obviously, personally, it's also a really big deal for me and my family, but more than that, I feel like there's so many people out there, there's so many youngsters out there who are being, it sounds funny to say, but who are being inspired by me, and this puts me in a position to, inshallah, show them the route and show them that aviation is a place where you can come in, and aviation does no career in this world needs to be defined by gender. You do what you want to for yourself.
So, Minal, when you came to this particular field and when you started working in here, what was the most common myth that you kept hearing about female being the pilot, and that made you laugh, or that you wanted to burst out, or something that you would like to spill beans now?
Females, anyways, I feel like they're doubted how their driving skills are, let alone their flying skills.
Yeah.
So obviously flying is a very technical job, and females aren't usually said they'll be able to do such a technical job. But again, honestly, people outside of my bubble, what they say is in 1 year and out the other year, and I prove them that I can do it by showing them that I can do it. Actions speak louder than words.
Yeah, I completely agree with what you said, Minal, that I think the best way to make people believe in you is to actually do your best and to tell people this, that yes, we can do it. And the best way to make them believe is, as you've said, by showing them that yes, you have the capacity. So reaching this place, Minal, was it your determination or was it your intelligence?
I think this is something, reaching any height in your life or accomplishing any goal, it's a mix of everything. It's a mix of your determination, it's a mix of your passion for it, and most of all, I think faith is also a really important part in this, because at the end of the day, Allah, He looks at how much mehnat the person's putting into something, and then your doors will open from there.
Yeah.
So I feel like intelligence ke saath it was also my passion and dedication towards becoming a pilot.
So I'm sure. So how many hours a day you were actually studying for this?
So honestly, I'm not a person who can sit for 8 hours a day and study. I can study for maximum 4 hours a day. So I used to study for 2 hours in the morning, 2 hours in the night, and then during the day it used to be time for myself.
Okay.
Time for, kind of easing out my brain, and flying. Obviously, I was flying and giving exams at the same time, so I used to balance both out.
Okay, and who inspired you to pick up flying as your career?
So actually, I live where I live right now. It's बिल्कुल Karachi airport का जो runway approach path होता है उसके नीचे आ रहा है. So I've been growing up watching planes land and take off. So that's where it started from. And then obviously networking with pilots, connecting with them, talking to them, it inspired me to becoming one.
So it has actually been the environment that has been your inspiration. You've been listening to the aircraft and all, and that's what made you motivated. Okay, interesting. So Minal, I've been reading about you that you've also taken some particular courses of air ambulance, and I was just wondering about that it's a very, it takes a lot of responsibility to be flying an air ambulance. So when you are managing an air ambulance and you're also flying, don't you think that it doubles your responsibility? And if it doubles your responsibility, how do you manage with that kind of anxiety?
So when we're getting our CPR, commercial pilot license, the main focus is not only the skills, but it's also that 1% chance of something going wrong,
Yeah.
And not even air ambulance, even as a commercial pilot in an airline, you can have 400 people jinki jaan aapke haath mein hoti hai. So that's always something ticking on your mind, but this is not something that you can let overcome while you're flying, because our duty is to transport passengers from one end to the other safely, right? And khuda na khasta, you can encounter anything. Like for example, in air ambulance, we have a person in a critical condition already. Isko upar se weather can become a phenomena that you can encounter anything. So this is where we go back to, I think, the basics of our training, to understand how to cope with ourselves and to understand how to kind of mentally be relaxed and follow our training.
So do you get any particular training to keep yourself calm in such a difficult situation, and how do you deal with that?
There's no particular training, but I think that while we're in training, usme we already practice a lot of, we simulate a lot of emergencies. So automatically that just comes with it.
So the simulations are there which
Exactly.
help you do that. And I'm sure sometimes you must also be encountering such situations. तो उससे भी आप सीखते हो कि क्या situation है. While you just mentioned that you had simulations, have you ever had any such incident that you have encountered where your heart actually started racing and you were in a kind of fix and you didn't know what to do, and you had to use your intelligence and emotional intelligence and calm yourself down? Would you like to share any such incident?
Absolutely, there has been, and this one was definitely not a simulation that happened. We were taking off, and हमारे engine का एक RPM होता है that we need to manage. That dropped below 1,000.
Okay.
And that's when the aircraft came and hit back on the runway. And you know, at that time, it's like I was like, okay, no, this is not a simulation this time. So obviously, we followed our procedures through, and then we did what was needed.
Okay, so I mean, you know, when such a situation happens, so what is it that you would do? Would you just like to give up, or you would like to depend on anybody, or take up any, you know, some leap steps, or what is it that you would do as a pilot?
At the back of your mind, you always know that there's a captain with you or a pilot with you. But in this case, unfortunately, I was on a solo.
Oh.
I had no one with me.
Okay.
So this is where you really need to believe in yourself. And you know, you have like not even 30 seconds. You have like maybe 2 to 3 seconds to go back to everything you were taught in ground school.
Right.
And remember the checklist that we need to follow, the procedure we need to follow. And that's obviously what I did in order to be sitting over here right now alive.
No, I'm sure that must be very brave of you. Okay, so Minel, tell us about your family. Like when you wanted to take this as a particular, profession of yours, and when you wanted to start flying, how did your family react towards it? Because it's like often not very heard of, and people do not think कि जी हाँ लड़कियाँ जो है वो पायलट बन जाएं, और वो भी इतनी यंग एज में. तो आप और मतलब आपके पेरेंट्स ने कैसा रिएक्ट किया जब वो ये सोचते होंगे कि भाई ये तो वो एज है जिसमें लड़कियां फैशन के बारे में सोचती हैं और इन चीज़ों के बारे में. मिनेल को क्या हो गया है?
Achha, so my mom always raised me, you can say, as a tomboy since I was a child.
Okay.
So that was already, I think, added advantage to this. कि she was थोड़ा उनके दिमाग में सपून था कि okay, you know, she's street smart enough.
Okay.
And apart
So she
from
was
that,
prepared for
she
that.
was prepared for it. Because मैंने बहुत क्या बोलते हैं, as a tomboy, I've also done a lot of risky things.
Okay.
So I think उसके मुकाबले में choosing flying as a profession, my mom was like, चलो खैर है.
ठीक
But
है.
apart from that, in my family, सीधी सी बात है, my mom says कि get the grades, show me that you want this, and this goes for our entire family. They should go for everyone.
Yeah.
You know, your child should get the grades, show that they want it, show them mehnat towards it, and then you should provide them with what they want to do.
Right.
It's as simple as
So
that.
you had that kind of support from your
Yes.
parents. So I'm sure, you know, this is like the key for women to be able to succeed. The support from their
Very good.
family is very, very important. If you get that kind of support system from within your house, from within your family, that always, you know, accelerates you and you're able to achieve what all you want to achieve. So as a woman, what would you like to do to accelerate other women around you?
देखिए, I believe in every profession there will always, देखिए, not even profession, generally there will always be the people who want to tell you you can't do it. But in every profession there will also be those people who will be there appreciating passion and appreciating dedication from the other person's end. So what I want to do is aviation where, alhamdulillah, you know, I've always had those people who've appreciated my dedication and passion, and that's the reason I was able to excel in this, right? So being in aviation as a woman, I would want to tell all the other women, not even women, everyone wanting to come into aviation, that I'm one of those people who will always appreciate the aage wali ki mehnat and dedication, because I know that what it takes personally in order to be that, in order to do that.
Right.
So I'm hoping that I can open that, I would say, open that rasta for people, knowing that, you know, they can always message me, they can always call me. I'm always there for anyone wanting to know anything about aviation. So I
Okay.
hope that that's a door I can open.
No, that's a great spirit, Minel. And Minel, since you have got some exposure and you've met some of the female pilots and the ones who have been working in aviation and all, so what do you think is the barrier? Like you were just mentioning it to me that you had a big batch of female pilots who were studying, but they decided to leave it. So what do you think are the barriers for young ladies, and why do they not pursue it as the career?
Barriers are something I feel like एक बंदा अपने आप के लिए बनाता है. When you're like passionate towards something and when you're dedicated towards something, you're gonna get a billion barriers that will come your way and you'll just jump over them.
Right.
So the reason why there are a lot of the females who continued, but many who left were because they saw those barriers and they didn't believe that they could do it. So if you believe that you can do it, you can cross any barrier. You can cross the entire wall.
So you believe in it that barrier is actually a mental
It's self-defined,
state.
yes.
Yeah, it's a self-defined. If you think that there's a barrier, the barrier will always remain there. And if you would think that there's no barrier and I can do it, then you can always do it. So any message that you would like to convey to the young girls out there on this International Women's Day, and anything you would like to tell them and reach out through our big podcast?
Absolutely. I think what I would want to convey to not only the women but everyone out there is that whatever you are passionate about, whatever you're dedicated about, go for it. Whatever you're doing, apne liye mehnat karo. Don't believe that you need to show a billion people what you're doing. You don't. Because whatever you do for yourself. It's a gift for yourself. And there are going to be a billion people telling you can't do it, but that should be in one ear and out the other. Go for it. Forget barriers. You'll be like jumping out of walls, literally. So at the end, work for yourself, and inshallah, you're going to achieve whatever you want. You'll set the highest pedestal you want for yourself.
Great. Thank you so much, Minel, for your time. And we are very proud of you, and we would like to see many such young girls coming forward and making Pakistan very proud. And we are really grateful for you to take your time out and being here with us at the Big Podcast. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.